Welcome back to another video about WAXP Coin. This is the latest update video about the WAXP Coin. What's going on in the WAXP Coin? Let me show you what's the price changes over in the WAXP Coin. Let me show you. But before starting this video, please guys subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about WAXP Coin. Now guys, the current live price of WAXP Coin in the market is 0.268028 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of WAXP Coin. In other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the WAXP Coin, so the price changes is also going complicated. Now you can see here the price changes occur in the WAXP Coin. Last 1 hour changes is positive 1.12%. Last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur is completely, you can see negative. I mean, from last 1 week, from last 7 days, the price of WAXP Coin is completely falls down. Other side guys, if you look the price chart of WAXP Coin, so you can see here guys, at this time the price of WAXP Coin is taken a quick jump, but unfortunately in the latest situation, just look here, in the latest situation the price very badly falls down. So that's why guys, a lot of people see these falls and they decide to sell on the basis of these falls. But you know what, they don't understand that that is a temporary falls. In every coin falls down for some temporary time. You can see here other side, if you look the last 1 month price update, 53.26% positive changes occur in the WAXP Coin in 0.441339 USD dollar is the highest price of WAXP Coin. That is the highest price. Anyways guys, what you think about WAXP Coin? What is your prediction? I believe that WAXP Coin is best for investment. That is a 100% safe for investment guys, and I hope guys they will give you huge profit. They will make you millionaire. I hope guys. Anyways guys, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about WAXP Coin? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates and news videos. Otherwise, you can see here, I know that from after 26 August the price of WAXP Coin falls down. But if you look the last, as I show you guys that, and just look here, let me show you the last 60-minute update is positive. So that's mean that in a right now situation, WAXP Coin is positive. WAXP Coin is in the pumping mood in a right now situation. Possibilities that they continue this pump for a long time and you get a profit. So please hold, don't decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.